The moment has come that me and you have convened once again together for the purpose of the unboxing. The purpose of taking items that are in a box out of a box, and we shall birth it into this world, and we will call this the unboxing video. I've been waiting for these for so long. And I think I have kind of maybe an unconventional or an alternate motive behind them. Because you see, I happen to be married to somebody who speaks a different language. And those... I mean, are sirens even necessary? Turn your lights on and drive fast. I happen to be married to somebody where English is not their first language. But I am frequently sitting in a room listening to conversations in other languages. And the premise of this box is I will now be able to listen and translate what is being said around me. So for today, we are rejoicing, we are celebrating that I can start to spy on and listen to my in-laws when they're talking about me. That is the promise that the Pixel Buds brings me. So let's get into it. I did not jump on the bandwagon of the first set of Pixel Buds. I believe these are the second set of Pixel Buds that have come out. I personally have been wearing these Bullet Buds, these Z's, ever since I unboxed them the other day. I'm eager to compare them to this to see which one I like more. Let's get into it. Look at these little guys. This is kind of fun. I guess I went for the white ones mainly because this was the only option that was available. Everything else was on a wait list, notify me when available. If they had other colors, other versions, they sold out at the speed of light. Here we go, guys. Thanks Nomadic Gear for supporting the channel. I'm kind of known for spending a ridiculous amount of money on luggage and high-end backpacks. Then I came across Nomadic bags and I absolutely fell in love with the Nomadic backpack, and now I'm in love with the Nomadic Carry-On Pro. This is a 2-bag-in-1 type of deal and it will not disappoint you. If you're in the market for some new luggage, a messenger bag, or a backpack that's big enough to take on a trip and still carry on the plane, then look no further. Take a moment and check them out. Link is in the description. Don't forget to click on the red sale link at the top of the page. You'll thank me later. Back to the video. Now, I'm just gonna say it. If these are supposed to be like accompanying the Pixel, then why wouldn't you give me a USB-C to a USB-C cable? Because the charging brick that you sent me, Google, with my Pixel is a USB-C to a USB-C charging cable. Why can I not have this here? Let's open her up. It's like a little egg. It's got a nice feel to it. Got a nice little spring action, a little clippy clip. I think that I'm gonna put these on and my phone is immediately gonna know what to do, and it's gonna say, come get me. Oh, to pair the Pixel Buds. Okay, that was terribly impressive, and I'm glad. Oh, look at this automation. Tap here to install. Oh my gosh. Talk about some seamless integration, Google. It's like you have competition and you know it, and you're fighting back here. Here are the little buds. Let's get them in, see how they do. Little music, shall we? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and see what kind of features are built into this thing. Nice. I'm going to do a whole video on the translation feature and how well it actually works. For now, my first impressions of the Pixel Buds is they are a welcomed addition into my earbuds collection. I really like them. The look and feel is very premium. I have to say I'm definitely impressed with what Google did with these. They feel great, they look good, they were very comfortable in my ears, and I had no fear or feeling that they were about to fall out any moment. I found these are the Z Bullets, and I've been pretty happy with them, but it's a different form factor altogether. So I like tech, I like options. I like to be able to pick different things for different situations and different scenarios. These, hanging out with the in-laws, once I figure out the whole translation feature, I think is going to be pretty cool. So I am really happy about these. They are wireless. I'm not too sure if they charge wirelessly. I have my little thing here. I don't know if, yeah, it activates it. Okay, so up there it activates. I know that other people have made videos. It does not fast charge or even charge on the Google Pixel Stand, which I kind of think is a little bit of a fail because the Pixel Stand is a really great design and it would have been awesome to incorporate this in there, but they clearly were not thinking about that when they were building the Pixel, putting the placement of the coils, thinking that, hey, we're one day going to have to get the charging down there because they don't stay there on their own. So maybe a fix will come out, maybe a third-party product that will hold them up there. But honestly, if I have to pick, I'm gonna put my phone on the wireless stand over my Pixel Buds any day. Guys, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about the video. Tell me what you think about the Pixel Buds. You think it's just another gimmick that I'm gonna end up throwing away, or do you think I'm gonna end up using it? I don't know. Time will tell. If they stand the test of time and I go to reach for them and I like them, well, I'll let you guys know. But for now, till next time, for the love of tech, namaste.